Hi guys, time for another jigsaw. Trying a slightly different camera angle this time. Okay, this one cost me 50p in a charity shop. I've been looking at it, trying to see if it actually tells us how big it is. It's 250 pieces. But it doesn't seem to have the dimensions on it. It's interesting, it's got this sort of flap on it, and you've got even more detail in there. Welcome to the preposterous flag fortress, home of the crazy Colonel Conundrum. First do the jigsaw puzzle, and then see if you can solve the maze. Okay, well I'll just be looking at the jigsaw puzzle myself. How do we get it open? Okay. Oh, nice thick pieces. Right, usual, find the edges. Funny how I seem to start doing these and it starts raining outside. We've got Storm Jorge due any time now. Seem to be getting one each weekend at the moment. Today's actually Friday the 28th of February. Or it is at this moment. It depends how long it takes to do the puzzle, doesn't it? Well, let's start putting some of these out anyway. Mustn't forget to drink my cup of tea. Keep letting it go cold. Well, that's disappointing. Got a piece missing. 2 pieces missing. Oh, that's disappointing. Thanks for watching.
You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.